Oh my god. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be working on the Hellcat today a little bit. We're gonna try at least. I got it up in the air. Check it out. I got it up in the air using these quick jacks, man. I really do like the quick jacks. They do come in handy, especially when you guys are in the garage and really can't use a lift in here like everybody else, right? We got the lift outside, but it's out in the heat. And these work great, guys. I've done trannies with them. I've done fuel tanks with them. They work great. And today they're gonna help us out with the headers. That's what we're working on today. We got the headers here. We got these TTI headers, guys. And we need to test fit them. We need to test fit them because I am in the middle of trying to plumb this car. And the first thing, I should say this, one of the things we're doing is we're trying to figure out our heater lines and our heater hoses and how to route them. I kind of want to route them down here in the back and then up through, maybe through the firewall or something like that to the vintage air kit. But the issue is clearance. So we need to figure out what our clearance is once that header is in place. So we're gonna also, we gotta mount the starter to mock it up at least. We're gonna mount the starter as well to see what kind of clearance we have between the starter and the header also, just to make sure there's no anything we need to do or any modifications. But let me open this up real quick. It'll save you guys the pain and the headache of unboxing because we just do a little YouTube magic. Bam! Look at that, y'all. Yes, sir. Man, these are nice. These are freaking super nice. But I noticed one thing. They are not coated, y'all. We're going to have to get these coated up. Maybe, which might be okay because Paul wants to go with all black in the engine bay. So we might have to ceramic coat these black or Cerakote. Maybe do some Cerakote, send them over to 3D powder coating and have them Cerakote them. But these look good, you guys. Check it out. They do come with the gaskets and everything. We're not going to use the gaskets today just because we really don't. This is really just for mock-up today because we're going to end up pulling the tranny back out later on. So I really don't want these in the way. But we are going to mock this up. And look at these flanges, though. Super beefy. Bung, O2 bung right there as well. I'm not sure what's in this box. I'm wondering. Hopefully it's some hardware. Let's see what it is. Ah, look at that. Yeah. Well, that's nice of them. That's real nice. Some flanges for the other side when we get the exhaust made. That's cool. That'll work. And bolts. Definitely gonna need those. So we're gonna use those. Mock those up. Let me get going. Let me mock them up real quick. You guys, I'll throw the starter on as well and the header so you guys can see one at a time. Now save you guys the headache from you guys trying to see everything over my shoulder. All right, boys. Starter is in. I should say bolted in at least. We got it sitting there just at least mocked up because we don't even have the wires hooked up. We're not even going to worry about hooking these up yet because the starter is going to come back off as well because guess what? Tranny's going to come off because we don't have the torque converter in place yet. We're getting the torque converter cleaned up. If you guys remember that video, if you guys did not check out that video, man, it's a torque converter rebuilt. It's pretty awesome. But we're going to take all that stuff off. Long story short, let's go ahead and put the header up here. Like I said, the main goal is to figure out how much clearance we got in here and alongside of this back firewall. See how that's going to land those headers. Let's throw them up. Oh, what a mess, y'all. Didn't even get one bolt in, you know. And by the way, these are a nightmare to put in. Definitely the worst headers I've ever put in, or not. But look, guys, we can't put the top up there down because we're already hitting the starter. Like what the junk? Oh Jesus, Rona. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I don't have the Rona, I promise. But super frustrating because these headers are supposed to work with this starter, and yeah, frustrated right there. I gotta make a phone call and go from there. And just to verify we got the correct part numbers and everything else, but it's not fitting. It is several days later. I called the boys over Bushland over there, and they actually, looks like I have the wrong start. I think it could have been mispackaged or something like that. So it's got to be a little bit shorter. So long story short, these are the correct headers. We just got to get a shorter starter. But what I'm going to do is throw the other side in real quick, mock that one in, and make sure we don't have no other issues that we need to take in consideration. Well, there is plenty of room on the driver's side, y'all. Whole lot of room on this side, you guys can see. No clearance issues whatsoever. I mean, we don't have a starter on this side, but yeah, plenty of room. Went right in. That was super easy compared to the passenger side. We only got 2 bolts holding it in, but it's pretty tight. Just wanted to make sure, more of a mock-up purpose here. We do got to make up our steering shaft here and hook it up to the actual column, so that's another thing. But looks like we should have plenty of room. Should be a pretty good, it's almost a straight shot there. A little bit of an angle, but nothing to worry about. Looks good. We're gonna pull all this stuff off again. Let's see what it looks like from the top real quick. Oh my god, that hurt. Yeah, that fender is not nice. All right, boys, so on the other side, on the driver's side, I should say on the other side, on the passenger side, you can't even see the header at all. But on this side, you can actually see it quite a bit more. So we're definitely gonna get these coated up. We'll use some just some header coating, all black, once we're get to the final stages of assembly. But that's what it looks like from up top, you guys. How's my hair, guys? How's my hair after that? Not freaking, whew. But I will try to link these headers down in the description below, the part number on these headers. But guys, I see you guys watching, man. I see you guys watching. But hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. But you got to hit the bell for notifications, so that way you guys know when there's a new video. So, but I'm going to leave you guys with that. You guys already know. Stay wrenching.